Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can easily add a featured on section to your Shopify store. We will add such a trendy version with scrolling logos and side gradient effects, which is now really popular. You can also easily add a classic static logo grid. Just a few words before you start why it's so popular nowadays. The answer is simple because it's probably the easiest and most effective way to add social proof for your store. And social proof helps with conversions, and your visitors are more likely to buy from the store they trust. Okay, so let's start. We'll need to install the Web Scrolling Logo app from Shopify App Store. I will add the link to this video in the description. So after the installation, go to the app dashboard. Here we go. On the first step, let's activate the widget so it will be visible on our storefront, on our live store. The press activate button will be automatically redirected to the store, and just need to check that this toggle is on and press save button. Great, let's close this tab and go back. The widget was enabled, and now it's time to create our first banner. I have pre-built banners. In the case, just create a new one. On the left side we have all our settings, and on the right we can see the preview. You can also easily switch between the static logo grid and scrolling marquee effect. Okay, let's delete placeholders and upload our logos. I recommend to use logos in SVG format. It works the best and looks crisp on the Retina screens. Let's upload our logos one by one. Great, on the right we see the preview. Great, I uploaded all my 5 logos. For example, it was featured on this press. You can optionally also add here the links to the articles. And I want to change my title. Okay. There is option also to add subtitle, but I will use the minimalistic title featured on. I also want to place it on the left side and make it the animation a little bit slower. Change direction of movement. Also add side gradient effects. Turn on this option. You can style the banner like you want to make your brand style. Here is the option to add the color of background and a lot of other options. I will use just default settings. We'll make, let's left the default size, it looks good. Okay, everything is good. And let's now go to final step, add our banner to the store. I'm going to placement tab and save my changes. Great, now I see the code which I need to paste in the theme. There is 2 ways. If you have a legacy theme, you will need to add custom HTML code. You can find the details in the documentation, but most likely you have the theme 2.0, and I will show how to edit with this way. So I copy banner ID code and press go to theme editor button. I am automatically redirecting to my store. You can also just open your store settings manually, and I see that app added automatically section with Fab logo banner. I choose it and copy paste my code. Great, I see the preview. It's already added, but don't forget to press save button when you will be ready. So it will be live on your store. Before doing this, we want to change the position of the banner. I recommend to place it after hero image at the top of your main page. You can also create multiple banners the same way and place multiple banners on the page. You can choose another page where you want to place it, so you have all the flexibility. So great, now we save the changes and let's go to our store to see if it works great on the live store. It may be a need to give just seconds or up to 1 minute to the banner will be added to your store. I refreshed my live store and banner was successfully added. It works great, has full size. So this is it. It was pretty simple, I think. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to press like button and see you on the next tutorials. Bye bye.